shown that the client, and especially clients that do not have data scientists, let's say on the other end, okay, they're not even interested in the model. Remember one thing, these are perishable goods to a large extent, okay? Algorithms are dumb. The kind of algorithms we are talking about, that's why it's called machine learning. It's like a newborn child being fed with a lot of information, and it is that information that creates the algorithm. So they don't want the model. Usually what ends up happening is we get into a longish association where we keep updating the model for them, and they are more interested in the outcome, right? So as long as they're getting outcomes that are adding business value, they will continue to come to us. And as far as the model is concerned, we keep them away from them. Yeah.
Is there a related opportunity here for maybe educational programs for people on how to use big data? Or, you know, you mentioned the solution managers in your staff. I would think that some of what they're doing is certainly advocating how to make use of the solutions,
absolutely.
Right?
A lot of the discussions that we have starts off at a very high level. So it's not as if that might be because we are evolving as a company, and that's also because the client is evolving. So we go in there with certain ideas, and it's the solution manager that makes sure that we reach a point. You have to handhold and bring the client to a place where he's clear about what we are offering, and that it will add value. And usually it goes through a pilot phase, just like Andy mentioned. It's a trial and error. That's where they are today.
Andy, I want